Good afternoon, everybody. Today's demonstration is on electrostatic generation of charge, and we will see electrostatic discharge with a couple of items. The first item is the Wimhurst machine. You will see this in front of the camera. So in a Wimhurst machine we have two counter-rotating insulating materials, acrylic in this case, and then there's brushes with these tiny bits of aluminum foil to collect the charges into these Leyden jars. These are just capacitors here on the bottom at the base. When you collect enough charge, then the charge is going to accumulate on these electrodes here, and then when the charge, it'll be opposite of course, when the charge difference is large enough, the air will break down. There'll be a significant electric field. So what you do is there's a crank on the other side. You turn these, you can see these starting to turn, and if I speed this up fast enough, you will then see a spark in the high kilovolt range being produced. So there's several thousand volts, but the current is very low. If you were to touch that, you would just get an unpleasant shock. So this is the Wimhurst machine. The other machine is the Graaff generator. In the Graaff generator we have an aluminum globe that we will create a significant charge on. So what happens here is there is a belt in here, and there is this felt material. The action of the rubber belt with the motor on, going on and off with this felt material, will collect electrons, negative charges onto the belt. And then these little pins here will collect the electrons and deposit them on this aluminum dome. Here, this ball is just simply neutral, and because of that, there will be a significant electric field between the dome and the neutral ball on the left, and then we will get an electrical breakdown. Here you will see that we will get a larger voltage, even higher kilovolts produced by this machine. So now when I turn it on, you get some pretty significant sparks in there. I can even feel the hair on my hand already with the voltage is so hot. So this is the Graaff generator, and it produces a very high voltage. It's higher than the Wimhurst machine.